Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and hope everyone is doing well. Finally guys, 10th day of creating YouTube videos consistently on YouTube, and I just want to say guys, I was able to do it guys. I was able to do it. It was very hard. Like, I had to cancel a lot of things just to post videos here on YouTube, and I can say that I've grown as a YouTuber. I have actually grown. Like, the confidence of speaking in front of the camera, it's not like before guys. It's not like before.
Stop it. Get some help.
And I'm actually appreciating the journey, and I'm actually enjoying the journey guys. I'm actually enjoying the journey.
Yeah, boy.
So yeah guys, I'm actually enjoying the journey. I can't lie to you guys, I'm actually enjoying the journey. Yeah, I'm actually enjoying the journey guys.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
So in today's video guys, I know we're all struggling with stress and anxiety, and I know you and yourself. You earned yourself, because we are all on that path of, we are all on that journey. Most of us are also struggling with stress and anxiety, and some people are good at hiding it, and some people are not that good. Like, some people you can actually see that these people, like, they're going through a lot, but then some of us are good at hiding it, but then most of us are struggling with stress and anxiety. A lot of people don't like admitting, but also a lot of us are struggling. And I just want to say guys, you earned yourself. There's a lot of things that's going on in our lives, and I know there's a lot of things that's also going on in your life. And in this video guys, I just want this video to be a video of inspiration, a video of encouragement. I just want to encourage you. I just want us to encourage ourselves, because you earned yourself. I also struggling with stress and anxiety. Like, most of us are struggling with stress and anxiety. Just have to keep our faith high and our hope high to the Most High God, that one day everything will be okay, and one day everything will be all right, and we don't have to suffer anymore, right? You are not dead until you are dead. You are not dead until you are dead. So if you're still alive, just continue to keep your faith high, your hope. Just continue to believe that one day everything will be all right. There's a lot of things that we all struggling, and that can be some of, like, work related. We are suffering from work related. There's a lot of things that's causing us to be stressed. There's a lot of things that's making us be, that's feel anxious. Like, there's actually like a lot. There's actually a lot that's making a lot of us struggle. And I just want you to know that you earned yourself. All of us are suffering. Like, all of us are struggling. Like, it's just that we all have different struggles. Some are struggling from relationships, some are struggling financially, some are just like struggling from changes of their life. Some people were like, let's say if you guys like were rich, and then all of a sudden life happens and then you guys are poor. Like, a lot of, like, we all have different struggles, like, and we all have a lot of things that we are struggling at. It's just that we have different struggle guys, and I just want you to know that you earned yourself, and just have to keep your faith high. Let's continue to chase the things that we really want to achieve. The things that really means a lot to us. If it's the bag, some call it the money, let's continue to chase the money. If it's happiness, let's continue to chase happiness. Like, whatever that you want to chase, continue to chase that. Let's continue, keep grinding. I hope you guys like this video, because I can't really explain how excited I am to actually reach to this 10 day of creating YouTube videos consistently here on YouTube. And I just want to appreciate to everyone that was being part of this journey. And I really appreciate you so much for those that are watching the contents from far, and I really appreciate you so much to the ones that are watching our content from near. But then all of you guys, I really appreciate you so much. There's more content coming to this channel. I believe you'll enjoy those videos, and if you do, kindly like and kindly comment, comments, because there's more videos coming to this channel, and those videos are really inspirational and educational, both to you and I. This channel is for all of us to grow. I'm not perfect, and I know nobody is perfect. I want this channel for everyone to grow. I want this channel to help us, all of us, become better people, and actually help all of us live a life that's fulfilling and a life that we really want, and a life that really makes us happy, you know. That's what the channel is all about, guys, you know, to inspire and educate each other. That's basically the end of this video, guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel for more educational and inspiring content by Justin Vigere, and I'll see you in the next video, guys, and thank you so much for being part of this journey, and I'm signing out. Peace. Okay, what's the one question you wish you were asked more?
Can I please get you something to eat?
Oh, can I please get you something to eat?
Yes. I'm so hungry.
You're so hungry?
Yes.
What can I get you? I don't even have money. After having a beautiful conversation and not able to help feed someone really makes me want to work so hard so that I may be able to give back to the community.
I'm nothing without the Lord.
The Lord your God will do it for you.
Yeah, so just remembering that all the time.
Are you a believer?
I am a believer,
Praise
yeah.
be to the Lord. I'm also a believer.
Thanks be to
How has
God.
God been how has God's influence been in your life?
It's been, there's no words to even explain how phenomenal he has been in my life. You know, just changing things around and always his timing. It tests you, but his timing, guys, his timing.
It's the best. This timing is the best.
His timing is the best, yeah.
What's the one piece of advice you would give to your younger self?
Patience and endurance. I think, especially in this generation that we're living in, we tend to want instant gratification. So definitely, just to the younger people, just the Lord's timing, patience and endurance.
Don't be hard on yourself.
Yeah.
That's a deep one. Don't be hard on yourself.
yourself.
Things
I feel
will
that.
help
Yeah.
You know?
in time.
Thank you.